Hello friends, hope you all are doing well at your home. I welcome all of you to our art class. So already kids, today we all are going to learn how to make an origami fish. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So to make this, we need a piece of square paper. Kids, you can take any coloring paper, okay? And we need a black colored marker. Okay children? So children, as all of you know that this is the corner, right? Okay. This is one corner and this is one corner, okay? So in this way, we will fold the paper. See children? Very nicely I have folded, right? Okay, now we will open it. Children, you can see one fold over here, see? Yes. Now the same thing we will do on this corner. From this corner to this corner, again we will fold. See children, in this way we will fold. Okay, now we will open it. Okay children, you can see another fold, see? Yes. Now we can see here two folds. One is like this and other is like this. Now children, we will fold the paper like this. We will make it half like this, okay? See? Very good. In this way you have to fold. Okay? Now let's open it. Now children, again we will fold the paper like this. So see children, in this way we have to fold the paper. Now we will open it. Children, you can see many folds over here, see? Now children, what we have to do is, see, here there is one fold, okay? This is our center line. So we have to fold this center line in this way. See? Let me show you once again. This is our center line, okay? And this is our center point, okay? So here you will put your finger, okay, and then you have to join this line to this line, okay? See, like this. And this part we will fold like this. See children. Okay? Let me show you once again. See, I am taking this center line, okay? We will take this center line and we will join this line to this line like this, okay? And this part we will fold it like this. Okay children? Okay, now the same thing we will do on this side. Again, this is our center line, right? And we will join this line with this line. See children, like this, okay? So here you can see a triangle, right? Both sides, see? back side also you can see a triangle, and this side also you can see a triangle. Now what we have to do is, we will take the first flap, only one flap we have to take, okay, and we will fold it like this. So this is our center line, so we will fold it like this. Okay children, now the same thing we will do on this side. So this is our center line, and we will take this flap and we will fold it like this. See children, press it properly. Okay, very good. Now you can see our fish is ready. Now children, let's draw an eye. See children, here I am using black colored marker. You can use crayons as well. So let us make an eye. Okay children. Now we will draw scales like this. And see children, I'm done. So in this way, you all are going to practice at your home. Okay kids? Bye bye everybody, and thank you.